Hi class 10th, hope you learn a lot from the previous videos. Today we continue with our next topic of the same chapter, that is sources of energy. So first we will discuss about wind energy. So now let's discuss few things about wind energy. So first point about wind energy is the kinetic energy of the wind can be used to do work. So this energy was harnessed by the windmills in the past to do mechanical work. Second point, a windmill essentially consists of a structure similar to the large electric fan that is erected at certain height on a rigid support. So today we harness the wind energy and used it to generate electricity. So now, as we all know, we harness the wind energy with the help of windmills. So first we will study about windmills. So what is windmill? It is the device which is used for tapping the energy of the wind by means of sails mounted on the rotating shaft. Now we will discuss about the working principle of wind turbine. So here in this diagram you see certain points marked over the diagram named as A, B, C, D and G, where A pointed to the activated rotator, B pointed to the blades, C for shaft, D for gearbox and G for generator. So now let's discuss how the windmill work. So first, the inflow of wind activates the rotor A, and as soon as the A rotor start activating, the blades attached with it starts moving. Now, rotor and blades spin the main shaft pointed at C and gearbox, that is D, which spin the generator G and resulting in the electrical output. So here are the points which tell us how the windmill work. So wind spin the rotor blades, which turns the gearbox attached to an electrical generator which can create electrical energy and which is then distributed through power cables. So now let's discuss about certain advantages of wind energy. So first point is wind energy is renewable and sustainable. Second, it is good for the environment. Third, it reduces fossil fuel consumption. Next, wind technology is becoming cheaper. Next, wind turbines are low maintenance and has low running cost. As we know, every source which is becoming a resource have certain disadvantages. So wind energy also have certain disadvantages. Let's discuss it one by one. Wind turbines are noisy. So one of the main disadvantage of wind turbine is the noise pollution they generate. Next, wind turbine pose a threat to wildlife. We often hear that wind turbine pose a threat to wildlife, primarily birds and bats. Third disadvantage, the wind fluctuate. As the amount of wind is not uniform, so wind energy has the similar drawback to the solar energy in that it is not constant. So the next non-conventional source of energy that we will discuss today is solar energy. So as you all know, what is solar energy? Solar energy is the most abundant form of energy which the earth receives. It is the energy which is come directly from the sun. It can be captured and used in several ways as a renewable energy source. So there are certain ways by which we can harness the solar energy. So first way to harness the solar energy is to use solar energy to capture the heat from the solar radiations directly and use that heat in a variety of ways such as solar cooker. Next, the second way of harnessing the solar energy is with PV solar system, that is photovoltaic solar system. So with a solar PV system, solar panel converts the sunlight which is coming straight from the sun into electricity. So now let's discuss about the working of solar cooker. So first we will discuss about the material required for making solar cooker. A solar cooker consists of a wooden box having thermocol lining, aluminium sheet, black paint, mirror, glass sheet, hinges, wooden lid for box and container. Now to cook the food, take a wooden box having thermocol lining from inside. Now paint the inner side of the aluminium box with black paint. Then fix the mirror to the lid with the help of hinges. So now hinges fix the lid to the wooden box. Now cover the box with a glass sheet. This glass sheet help in trapping the heat radiations and the mirror help in concentrating the sun radiations into the box. Now this solar cooker is ready to cook the food. Now paint the container from outside in which you want to cook. And then place the items inside the box and then place the solar cooker in direct sunlight. Now adjust the position of the plane mirror so that the strong beam of sunlight falls on the glass sheet. Now the rays coming from the sun pass through the glass sheet and are absorbed by the objects inside the cooker. The glass sheet does not allow the solar radiations to go out in the form of radiant heat gradually. Now more and more heat radiations get trapped and food starts getting cooked. Now the range of temperature obtained by this cooker lies between 100 to 140 degrees Celsius. So this was the working of solar cooker. Hope you all understand the topic. Thanks for watching the video. Press subscribe button for more videos. Thank you.